What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. You see where I'm at. I am on the Trademark website, and this website is United States Patent and Trademark Office. So that way you don't get to the wrong one, because they got many ones out there that'll say pay this, do this, and it's not on the correct site. So I'm showing you this because I like to lead by example. So when you're coming up with your product or your service or your business name or your logo or what you want to stand under, or you want your main entity to be, you want to come here and you want to search it. You want to search it right here in this engine. You just put whatever you're trying to do. If it's you want to get into the barbecue grill and say you want to say welding barbecue pits, you want to see if that's available. You might have to switch it up. You might say, you know what, I need something that's a little bit more better. Barbecue welding, and put that in and see what happens. You know what I mean? Barbecue welding. And you never know, but honestly, in this day and age, I feel like it's very valuable, because if you do have a great idea, it's not going to be, you don't have to worry about those stealing it that don't have any money. It's going to be somebody that got the thousands laying to the side and say, ooh, you tell me I can put 50,000 into that idea and I can make $1 million real quick. We don't have that money just on the side waiting on us, at our convenience. When you independent, when you start now, you just don't have $50,000 laying around. But you might, but it don't mean you don't have $1 million idea or a $50,000 idea. You know what I mean? So protect yourself and do small things. Getting your copyrights and your trademark isn't very expensive. Your copyrights is actually cheaper. I think you can get your certain names and stuff copyrighted for under $100, and your trademark is around $240, I believe, $225, something like that. It's under $250, under $300. So you can do it yourself, or you can go to a professional, have them do it, and then pay them the fee for filing it for you and the fee for doing the process. So it's all of you. But there is a YouTube deal where you can go to and you can actually put everything in, and they'll show you pretty much step by step how to do this on yourself. Do this on your own. So when you want to get yourself together and you're trying to really get your business off the ground, make the proper steps. Like I said before in one video, proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. Hog on.